my channel MyWay. So for today I'm going to be sharing with you this makeup look. So if you have guessed the look, it's the Kareena Kapoor's makeup look as her character Pooh. और ये आप obviously बात है, आप देख के पता है आपको, but still, so this is the look which I created and I really loved it. I really love what I did and it's somewhat close to her look. I am not Kareena Kapoor, so obviously बात है शक्ल तो सेम हो नहीं सकती, but yeah, I tried my best to recreate her makeup look, even her outfit and this choker. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. This is a makeup look which I'm most excited about. So I really love Kareena Kapoor Khan. Like, she is my favorite. Like, her looks, her expression, her features are on point. So that's why I thought of creating this look with you guys. So basically I asked on my Insta whether you guys want Pooh makeup recreation or her makeup look in Halkat Jawani. I really love that too. So but you guys voted for Pooh one, so I thought of sharing a very fun video on my Insta and a complete tutorial for my YouTube channel. Yeah. For today, I'm going to start with this Wow toner. I'm recently been using this and I really love this one. It's really very refreshing. ये पूरा orange का feel देता है. Next for my under eyes, I'm using this L'Oreal Shine Gel. So now to give my face a bit of glow, I'm using this Plum Serum. And at last to moisturize, I'm using this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Moisturizing Cream. And for my lips, I've applied some Wadi lip balm. Now to start my makeup, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay Foundation in 128 Warm Nude. I've applied it all over my face. Now to blend this, I'm gonna use my Pro Art brush. And if you see her face, there's no flaws, so I'm gonna make sure कि मेरा face पूरा even लगे. So as you can see, I've applied it all over my face. I'm gonna take the Superstay foundation only, but this time the shade 120 Ivory. So I'm gonna use this for my concealer. Apply it all over my face. Like so. Also gonna take a bit and gonna apply it here. If you see her face, वहाँ पे कोई such contouring नहीं है, but her face is really chiseled. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel. So to give a slight contour sort of thing for my face. So first I'm gonna apply it on my nose, like so. So basically मैं try कर रही हूँ to get a face structure like her. यहाँ से वो थोड़ा chiseled है. To blend this, I'm using this Blue Heaven Beauty Blender. So पहले मैं सारा concealer blend करूँगी. Now I'm gonna blend the contour. So now it's nicely blended. So now to set it, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Contouring Palette. So taking the powder side, I'm just setting my. So अगर आपका फेस चब्बी है, यहाँ पे कंसीलर लगाकर कॉन्टोर करने से फेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा चिजल लगता है. So now I'm gonna take a contour shade and this Pro Art brush. And I'm just gonna deepen my contour a bit. Like so. Now I'm gonna spray some setting spray to lock this. If you see the picture, वहाँ पर थोड़ा पिंकिश ब्लश ऑन है एंड मोस्टली उस टाइम पर थोड़ा रेडिश पिंकिश ब्लश ऑन होता था. सो आई एम गोना टेक दिस शेड फ्रॉम दिस पैलेट एंड आई एम गोना लाइटली गोना अप्लाई दिस. So I've applied the blush and it looks really fine. Blush on ज़्यादा पिक्चर में विजिबल नहीं है, मैंने वीडियो में भी देखा ज़्यादा कुछ विजिबल था नहीं. So now I'm going to do my brows and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is the only brow product that I use nowadays. So I'm just gonna fill. So मैं बहुत roughly fill करूँगी because आप उस पिक्चर में देख सकते हो उसमें लग भी नहीं रहा कि उसकी eyebrows हुई है. But I really don't like my brows to look like that. So for eyes, I'm gonna take this palette. So अगर आप उसकी आई मेकअप देख सकते हैं तो क्रीज में थोड़ा सा ब्राउन कलर है, बाकी ऊपर भी लाइनर है, नीचे काजल है, and that's pretty much it for the eye makeup. So I'm gonna do the same. Also, I'm having my detox drink. So now I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna take the brown shade from this palette and I'm gonna apply it all over my crease. Literally couldn't see any eye makeup other than the liner and this brown crease. So मैं फिल्म कर रही थी और लाइट चलेगी and literally half an hour बाद लाइट आई है. So half an hour से मैं ऐसे बैठी हुई थी. Now I'm gonna apply some liner. This cream shade and I'm gonna apply it on this. Now I'm gonna apply the eyeliner and for that I'm using this Nike Wing in a Blink. So लाइनर कोई विंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, नॉर्मल लाइनर है. Like so. So मैं अब इस काजल को लेकर, दिस इज नायका रॉक द लाइन काजल. I'm gonna tight line my eyes first. I'm gonna apply some on my waterline. So ये बहुत रफली था, इवन कि थोड़ा ही स्मज था वो भी दिख रहा है. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. So now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. For the lips, she basically had a plum color as a lip liner and like outer corners में plum color and अंदर fill in थोड़ा सा pinkish purplish shade है. So first I'm going to take this shade. So this is from 7 Heaven. So I'm going to apply it. For somewhat the shade. So now I'm gonna take a wipe. So मैंने थोड़ा सा इसे अंदर से क्लीन करा है ताकि एक इल्यूजन क्रिएट कर सके. And I'm gonna take the Mare shade. And I've applied it in the centers. This was somewhat she had. So she didn't had any sort of highlighter whatsoever. I'm gonna change my top and we'll be back. So I'm back. I just wore my yellow spaghetti. So and I just had this flower. Basically proper flower वास में flower पड़ा था तो मैंने इसे तोड़कर ये strap लिया. It's like so मैंने strap को के साथ attach करके I just wore this. And also I just straightened my hair a bit and that's what. She also had glasses. So मेरे yellow glasses पता नहीं कहाँ है. So I'm just wearing it like this. So I just took my specs and yep. This finishes this makeup look. This is Kareena Kapoor inspired Pooh makeup tutorial. So I have seen many people filming her intro makeup look, but I really love this one. So I really wanted to do this one. But if you want me to do any other look, you can just let me know in the comment section. I would love to make it. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.